Any other question?
I have a question. Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
My name is Anam. My question is, in Surah 28, verse 48, 2 books are mentioned. How can you justify this as one book?
Okay. This ayah is in 28. So you're asking this question, you? Who's asking? You? Okay. Here it says in Surah 28 and 48, فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ عِنْدِنَا قَالُوا لَوْلَا أُوتِيَ مِثْلَ مَا أُوتِيَ مُوسَى أَوَلَمْ يَكْفُرُوا بِمَا أُوتِيَ مُوسَى مِنْ قَبْلُ قَالُوا سِحْرَانَ تَظَاهَرَا وَقَالُوا إِنَّا بِكُلِّ كَافِرُونَ قُلْ فَاتُوا بِكِتَابٍ مِّنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ هُوَ أَهْدَى مِنْهُمَا أَتَّبِعُهُ إِن كُنْتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. If you read this ayat, it says when the truth comes to them from ourselves, from God, they say why the signs are not given to him like what was given to Musa. Now here the problem is that here the ayat says Qalu laula utiya misla ma utiya Musa. Why is not given the example what was given to Musa? Like misle, what is not given to Qalu laula utiya misla ma utiya Musa. What was given to Musa? Why it is not given similar to Musa? So people are thinking that gentleman is gone. He was thinking that Torah was given to Musa. But Quran, this book was given to Musa. So people are thinking that this Torah this Bible was given to Moses. So first 5 books, Genesis, today also. So they are objecting, Qalu laula utiya misla ma utiya Musa. So they say, people are saying, why not given to Musa like what was given to Musa? Why not given to him like what was given to Musa? So Allah says further, Avalam yakfuru bima utiya Musa min qabl. Do they not reject what was given to Musa from before? They have been rejecting that this book was given to Musa from before. So they are rejecting today also. Today also. So Allah says, Qalu, they say, Sihrana Tadara. These two are magics. Which two? This book and what I am reading. They are magic because they are backing each other. Qalu Sihrana Tadahara wa qalu inna bikulli kafirun. And we reject both. What I read here and I confirm here, so it is a confirmation. That's why book is given to. So they become, when I speak and when you confirm, becomes magic. It's same. How can we, you can't change now. So they are saying two magics. So further Allah says, Qul fa'atu bi kitabim min indillah huwa ahda minhuma attabihu in kuntum sadiqeen. So here it says, come with a book from Allah which is more of guidance, these two. This and what is revealed. This book and what you heard. This revelation is when you come to know. So, and qalu inna biku, and they're still rejecting it. And Allah says here, attabi'u, I will follow if you bring beyond these two books. This book and what is revealed, which confirms and back each other. And attabi'u in kuntum sadiqin are speaking, they will come with a book which is not this same. So problem is that if you believe this Bible, that is why they are rejecting. They say, why this is not given to Moses? This is not, Allah did not say. Allah said, why they are rejecting from before. I just have read to this lady, she's gone, that Allah said, we gave Moses the book and then do not doubt its meeting coming to you, it's meeting to you. So it's the same. So the book is the same. It's not changing. It's never changed. That's it.
Thank you.